Tremendous. All right. Think about your wish.
How old are you, Parker?
9.
Okay, here we go, everybody.
Happy
birthday to
you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Parker. Happy birthday to you.
There it is.
Nice. Good job, Parker. Whoa. Good job.
It's really going to come true.
Avery, say hi.
No, I just moved over this way. Okay.
Parker, say bye. Say see you next year. Say see you next year.
They're going,
No?
hey,
Okay.
now. Hey,